In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a habit tracker in Notion. Easiest way 2020. 6 guide. We'll start from a blank slate so you can follow along easily. Open Notion and create a new page. Inside that page, type /table, then choose Table View and select New Database. This gives you a clean grid to build on, and it's the simplest structure for tracking habits day by day. Next, set up the essentials. Click the first column name and rename it to date. Change its property type to date so each entry is tied to a specific day. Now add your habits as checkboxes. Hit the plus sign to add a new column. Set the property to checkbox and name it after a habit, like workout or read. Repeat for as many habits as you want to track. Keep habit names short and clear, so the table stays easy to scan. You can always drag columns left or right to arrange them in the order you prefer. To make daily tracking almost effortless, use a template. Click the arrow next to the blue New button and choose New Template. In the template editor, make sure all your habit checkbox properties are visible and ready to use. Give the template a helpful name like Daily Habits. The idea is that each day, when you click New and pick this template, you'll get a fresh row with the same set of checkboxes ready to tick, so you don't have to rebuild anything. If you like seeing your progress at a glance, add an optional progress formula. Create a new property. Set it to Formula and name it Progress. Use a simple formula that converts each checkbox to a number, adds them up, and divides by the number of habits to get a percentage. For example, if you have workout and read, you can sum those two checkboxes and divide by 2. Then format as a %. Update the formula if you add or remove habits so it stays accurate. Finally, switch how you view your tracker to keep motivation high. Create a calendar view so you can see your monthly habit streak. Choose Calendar, set it to use the date property, and you'll see each day as a card. Open any day to review which habits you completed. The calendar makes it easy to spot gaps and celebrate consistent runs. That's it, the easiest way to build a clean, reusable habit tracker in Notion. Use your template each day. Tick off your checkboxes and watch your streak build over time. Thanks for watching.